sprinter doesn't wait. It takes control. Frozen roads, abrupt skids, and unexpected surprises can transform a regular drive into something completely unpredictable. See how quickly everything changes and how drivers respond when the road refuses to play along. If you're new here, welcome aboard. What mistake do you think this truck made to slide like that? It's tempting to overtake when stuck behind a truck, but avoid it. Tires lose up to 50% of grip in snowy conditions. This Dodge Ram should never be overtaking here. The automotive industry in Russia isn't very advanced, but Lada builds tough vehicles. This Niva is perfect for snowy terrain. That was quite a slide. I feel sorry for the vehicle at the bottom of the road. Keep your eyes on the road. 1 second of distraction can change your life. When many cars are sliding, never get out of your vehicle and stand in the middle of the road. That's what we call being lucky. When I said to avoid overtaking in snowy conditions, this person standing by the roadside is risking their life. Have you ever tested Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system? Snow or not, always check your mirrors before turning. Normally, the Nissan Patrol dominates in the snow, but here, it's struggling. During a snowstorm, turn on all your lights and drive slowly. This truck should never have crossed the solid line. A sudden move made it flip over. And that's not the only accident. When multiple cars are sliding, stay inside your vehicle. If you're nearby, move away from the danger zone. I wonder why some people think traffic lights don't matter when it's snowing. If you drive fast, you don't have time to react. Black snow mixed with water, one of drivers' worst nightmares. One of the biggest mistakes while sliding is breaking the wheels. Once you do that, you lose control. Don't touch the brakes. Steer your way out. If you brake while sliding, the wheels can't support the vehicle's weight. Keep them rolling freely. You'll have a better chance of regaining control. This Mitsubishi seems to be two-wheel drive, yet the driver slams the brakes like crazy.
Anasını sıfır geçti ha. Verir mi? Sadakası varmış adam.
Always carry a snow brush in winter. It can really help. The first one avoided it, but the second one? In Russia, military vehicles are common. Luckily, he avoided it. Turns on snowy roads must be taken with caution. Have you ever seen this? It's called an ice quake. And some people still drive over it. Clearly, there's way too much speed here. We should have a special driving license just for snowy conditions.
Why you don't buy a Jeep, boy?
If Jeep saw this, they'd ban that driver from touching their vehicles again.
Oh my god.
After an accident, first turn on your hazard lights, then check your surroundings to see if you can slow down safely. Sometimes it happens so fast you can't react. Clearly, this Mustang driver thinks it's summertime. The police officer in the back is going to have a long day.
You can see that behind us? No.
Nice stop from the Tiguan, but even then, there was a small impact. Always keep a safe distance, especially when there's snow. Overtaking in snowy conditions is risky. One quick steering move and you lose control. No injuries despite the collision. Black ice is a driver's worst enemy. Do you think he's driving too fast? That was not a smooth entry for this vehicle. When you lose control, use engine braking. Don't touch the brake pedal. Is the traction of this Chevrolet Silverado really suited for snow? Total loss of control for this Toyota. Always leave more space in winter than you do in summer. safe distance is essential. Here it's barely enough. Ford Ranger vehicles have great traction and are often used to pull others out during winter. Driving this fast is not the right behavior. Sometimes even a small lane change can send you spinning. The oncoming vehicle is not respecting the rules. Even with your turn signal on, it doesn't give you priority. Who do you think is at fault? It's not because of the snow. Clearly, visibility is an issue here, and the snow isn't helping. I can imagine the panic of the vehicle in front. Looks like a game of ping pong. Hit one car and you hit the next. Do you think the Toyota RAV4 driver lost control because of the speed? Great reaction from the car filming this. It looks like he was trying to force the passenger to flee. In situations like this, keeping a cool head can save your life. What is that black vehicle you see there? I can't identify it. If you lose control, steer to correct the vehicle, don't hit the brakes. That Nissan Murano should never have pulled out without looking. How did he manage to get stuck like that? Looks like there's something happening further ahead. You stuck around till the end. Nicely done. If this kind of icy madness is your thing, hit that follow and dive into the next episodes already waiting for you. Until then, keep your wheels straight and your nerves colder than the road.